Hey everybody, hope all is well. Today we will be talking about Chucks, Converse. Well, specifically the Run Star Hike Converse with the platform. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, I DIY, I compare bags to review on bags plus more, like today, we are gonna check out and review Chucks or Converse for those of you who prefer to call them Converse. Then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. So yes, I purchased 2 pairs because the first pair was just so comfortable. This is what I started with. I purchased these Chucks for Converse. First in pink from sense.com. And I just wanted to try them out. I love platform sneakers or even anything. I like platform anything, maybe because I'm short, because I'm only 5'4", but you can see I used them up already. They're a little stained. I don't know what I dropped, some pink, maybe strawberries. Anyway, they're so soft. You feel like you're walking on clouds. It's so amazing, and it pretty much matches with a lot of things too. Honestly, I kind of like this more than my Prada combat boots. They're more comfortable, and I don't know, they just don't make my foot look so huge. I feel like sometimes the Prada combat boot makes my foot look really long, but maybe because it's a little too big. Anyway, it's about these freaking cool ass sneakers. Got them in the leather. This is the leather moment. I bought these on Nordstrom's, and inside is like a light pink fur, and the lace is a light pink fur also. And they are true to size. Sorry, I wore them a lot already. They're really cute and comfy. Got the signature star. And both of them, I believe I got size 7. You also could buy these at Foot Locker. There are so many different colors, so many different fabrics. It's leather. This one is like the traditional cotton. If you're a Cali person, you know us and our Chucks. We just are known for our Chucks. New York is known for their Timbs, right? The West Side, yes, for wearing Chucks. It's all about that California love, folks. You can pretty much wear this with a lot of variety of things, from sweats. I mean, of course, it's more a casual look, but you know, us ladies in Cali, we are known, or I think maybe the East Coast too, we are known for wearing Chucks with like floral dresses, depending on how the style is. But they're so comfy, folks. Like if you're an active person that likes to take public transportation, East Coast again, or LA, walking around, taking the train, taking the bus, what have you, these are a must. Because your feet are gonna thank you later. Like I wore these with my Chanel iridescent bag, and oh my god. This iridescent bag is like, it's gorgeous. You probably should wear something fancy with it, but oh my god, when I wore them with jeans and these sneakers, for some reason, I think it's because of the pink colors, it matched so well. And like, I also wore my, I don't know if you caught it in one of the videos, my Gucci Marmont pastel pink bag with the pink ones. And these two, even though the light's kind of weird, but wearing them like, have this on the floor because you're wearing it on your feet, and this is higher up, it matched really well. So even if you have luxury like purses, whatever, they'll go with Chucks. Not to be mean, I don't care what people think. This is just basically what I like to wear and stuff, but some people might think these are too high-end for Chucks. To each his own. That's why everyone has their own style. If you have these Run Star hike sneakers, Chucks, then comment below. Let me know how you style these. Oh my god, they have these gray and white ones. I don't know. Should I get a third pair? Because those light gray ones are so freaking cute. Ow. It's healing. It's almost healed. Actually, it's not. Apparently, it takes 3 more months for the bone part piece on my wrist to fuse. So I should put my splint back on. Here I'm just wearing a plain old white Zara shirt that says that. And some cute little, I got these, I don't know where I got these. I think maybe Shein like 4 years ago. They're like kitty jeans. And my Chucks. Simple. And here's the bag. See, it's so cute. It is long. I like my crossbody shorter, but if you could see, like, because of the colors, they just go really well. It has hints of pink on the little laces, which kind of match the iridescence. It's kind of odd, but it actually matches. And the color of the leather here, similar to Chanel iridescent bag, except it's not iridescent. So, bought these ones in Nordstrom's. And that's it. Well, people, that's pretty much to share with you. These Chucks are comfortable. It's like walking on clouds. I could just wear them all the time. Anyway, folks, we're going nowhere. A little bit of history about Chucks is it started off in the early 1900s from a basketball player called Chuck Taylor. I forget, 1917 or something. I forget. You can go online and Google it. But yeah, that's how it started. And then, of course, there's a popular movie called West Side Story back in the 60s, I think. But that's a little bit of US history. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.